What's up, YouTube? Simply Jeremy back in, and welcome to the signups for Monster Truck Signup Series Revive number 1, the first ever Slides edition. So, here are the trucks you can choose, and I'm going to go over them. We have Bulldozer, Max Contrast Dragon, Boneyard Gravedigger, Stone Crusher, Max D Nitro, Soldier Fortune, World Finals 15 Bounty Hunter, El Toro Loco, Wild Streak, Sparkle Smash Neon, El Toro Loco Color Change, Haul Y'all, Mystery Mutters Son of a Digger, Hot Wheels Taxi, Max D Mystery Mutters, Snakebite 1995, Monster Vette, Shark Wreak, Race Ace, WREX, 4-Wheel Hive, and Samson. That is the lineup. Please post a comment, and I'll see you guys in the event.